10 2016 Ford Focus Transmission 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Ford Focus Fiesta Clutch Actuator A and B. Experiencing frustrating hesitant shifts or persistent warning lights in your Ford Focus or Fiesta Automatic? Our clutch actuator A and B is the precise solution for 2011 to 2017 Fiesta and 2012 to 2017 Focus models. Replacing OE #AE8Z7C604A, it directly resolves common clutch engagement issues and slow actuator codes, restoring your transmission's peak efficiency and smooth operation. Crafted from premium, OE standard materials, this actuator ensures consistent, optimized clutch engagement for effortless starts and smooth stops. You'll enjoy significantly reduced driver fatigue and unwavering reliability, making every journey more confident. Verify compatibility for a flawless, enhanced driving experience. Number 9. Focus 2.0 LL4 Engine and Transmission Mount Kit, 2012 to 2018. Tired of that shaky feeling in your Ford Focus? It's time to restore your ride's original smoothness and stability with our premium engine and transmission mount kit, specifically designed for 2012 to 2018 Focus 2.0 LL4 models. As a leading manufacturer, we craft these mounts from the highest grade raw materials and rigorously test them in our advanced labs. The result? A direct OEM replacement that often surpasses original equipment in durability and performance. Experience significantly reduced vibrations and a more comfortable drive. With perfect fitment confirmed by OE numbers, A5520, A5646, A5612, and backed by a 1-year warranty, you can install with absolute confidence. Drive smoothly, worry-free. Number 8. Ford Focus 2012 to 2016 2.0 L Engine and Transmission Mount Set. Restore your Ford Focus 2012 to 2016 2.0 L to its original smooth performance with our comprehensive engine and transmission mount set. Designed specifically for your L4 2.0 L model, this kit includes the front right motor mount, lower and upper transmission mounts, providing a complete solution for common vibration and noise issues. Each mount undergoes rigorous testing and is crafted from superior materials, guaranteeing they meet or exceed OE specifications. Say goodbye to excessive cabin vibrations and clunky shifts. This expertly engineered set ensures a precise fit, delivering lasting durability and a remarkably quieter, more comfortable driving experience. Drive with renewed confidence, knowing your Focus is supported by a quality, reliable solution. Number 7. 2012 to 2018 Focus 2.0 L Engine and Transmission Mount Kit. Restore your 2012 to 2018 Focus 2.0 L to peak performance with our premium engine and transmission mount kit. If you're experiencing excessive vibrations or a rough ride, an upgrade is due. Engineered with the highest quality raw materials and rigorously tested, these mounts meet or surpass OE standards. This ensures exceptional durability, a precise fit, and a stable engine and transmission, bringing back that factory-fresh feel. Our mounts are a direct replacement for your Focus, matching OE number A5646AV6 Z6038A for perfect compatibility. Say goodbye to drivetrain noise and hello to a smoother, quieter ride. Purchase with confidence, backed by a robust 1-year warranty. Your Focus deserves the best. Number 6. Motorcraft Mercon LV Transmission Fluid. Ever wondered how to truly safeguard your vehicle's most critical moving parts? As an expert, I can tell you that the right transmission fluid is non-negotiable. Motorcraft Mercon LV Transmission Fluid isn't just any lubricant, it's engineered excellence. Crafted using innovative manufacturing techniques, this fluid provides exceptional drivetrain protection, ensuring smooth, reliable shifts and extending the life of your transmission. It's precisely formulated to be the perfect lubricant solution for your specific needs, delivering consistent performance mile after mile. With an ample quantity readily available, you're equipped for comprehensive maintenance, giving you peace of mind and protecting your investment. Trust Motorcraft to keep your drivetrain running flawlessly, just as it was designed to. Number 5. Ford Mazda 4F27E Auto Transmission Filter Kit. Give your Ford or Mazda automatic transmission the care it deserves with our premium 4F27E transmission filter kit. Crafted from high-quality materials and rigorously tested to meet or exceed OEM standards, this filter is designed to protect your vehicle's most vital components. It expertly filters out impurities, keeping your transmission fluid clean and preventing blockages in crucial parts like the valve body. This ensures smoother shifts, optimal performance, and significantly extends the life of your entire gearbox. Perfectly compatible with numerous Ford Focus, Transit Connect, and various Mazda 3, 5, 6, and Protégé models equipped with the 4F27E transmission. Don't compromise on quality. Invest in reliability for lasting peace of mind. Number 4. Motorcraft Automatic Transmission Fluid. Is your automatic transmission due for some genuine care? Look no further than Motorcraft Automatic Transmission Fluid, XT105Q3LV. As a vital auto accessory, this isn't just any fluid. It's a precisely engineered solution crafted to ensure your vehicle's smooth operation and lasting durability. Our advanced formulation goes beyond basic lubrication, providing superior protection against wear, heat buildup, and corrosion. This means you'll experience consistently seamless gear changes, reduced friction, and ultimately, a longer life for your transmission. Choosing Motorcraft means you're investing in OEM quality performance, safeguarding one of your vehicle's most critical components. Give your ride the confidence of Motorcraft, because smooth performance starts here. Number 3. Ford Focus 2011 to 2016 Transmission Speed Sensor Set. Restore your Ford Focus's smooth, responsive driving with our premium transmission speed sensor set. Expertly designed, this set ensures real-time vehicle speed monitoring, sending precise data to your ECU for optimal, comfortable gear shifts. No more erratic shifting, just seamless transitions that significantly enhance your everyday drive and overall comfort. Engineered for durability, it bravely resists transmission fluid corrosion, vibration, and electromagnetic interference, promising lasting reliability. Plus, our clever, foolproof oval connector design makes installation straightforward and error-free, preventing reverse insertion. Compatible with Ford Focus 2011 to 2016 and several other Ford models. Referencing OEE8P7H103AAE8P, 7M101AA8P, 7M101BA. This essential component brings back the precise performance you expect. Upgrade for a noticeably smoother, more confident ride. Number 2. Ford DPS6 Transmission Clutch Kit. Restore your Ford's smooth, responsive driving experience with our DPS6 Transmission Clutch Kit. Designed as a direct OEM replacement, DPS6, 6DCT250, 602000800. This kit ensures perfect compatibility for your Ford Fiesta 2013 to 2018, Focus 2012 to 2018, EcoSport, and other compatible models. Always confirm your OE number for a precise match. Crafted from high-quality, durable metal, this kit boasts exceptional high-temperature resistance and a significantly longer service life. You'll regain seamless gear changes and precise clutch control as the double clutch fork functions perfectly, delivering optimal engagement and disengagement. This comprehensive package includes everything you need: pressure plate, clutch disc, transmission bearing, clutch release fork, and ring. A complete solution for a hassle-free restoration. Number 1. Ford Focus 2.0 LTCM 2011 to 2018. Experiencing rough shifts or unresponsive acceleration in your 2012 to 2018 Ford Focus 2.0L. Restore its peak performance with our expertly crafted Transmission Control Module, TCM. Designed for superior accuracy, this TCM ensures silky smooth acceleration and a truly responsive drive, bringing back that new car feel. Built with robust, high-quality materials, our Barrio Auto Part Replacement guarantees exceptional durability and consistent performance against wear and tear, offering a lasting solution. It's an exact fit, perfectly matching reference part numbers like A8Z7Z369F and A2C30743100, so you can install with confidence. Plus, your investment is protected by a full 1-year insurance, ensuring peace of mind. Drive with reliability. Drive with confidence. So, that sums up my 2016 Ford Focus transmission. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time.